Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we're going to talk about the reaction of the former Minister of Aviation, Osita Chidoka, to the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike, who said that he is an unrepentant Ikwere man and that he is not Igbo and that nothing will make him identify as Igbo. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. We are examining the reaction of Osita Chidoka. Welcome. And if you're new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, Osita Chidoka has been among several people that have reacted, several Nigerians that have reacted to the press conference where the Minister of the FCT, Nyesom Wike, denied that he's not Igbo and that he's an unrepentant Ikwere and that nothing will make him identify as an Igbo. And he criticized, he literally criticized his kinsman, Senator Azuta-Mbata, who emerged the President General of Ohanaeze and Ndigbo, saying that he is in support of the position of Ikwere, that the statement they issued about Azuta-Mbata emerging the President General of Ohanaeze and Ndigbo, because by saying that he stood by them, Nyesom Wike was also saying that he stood by their position that Azuta-Mbata should be banished from anything that Ikwere people are doing, or what Ikwere is doing, that all his titles should be stripped of him and all that. Nyesom Wike, by admitting that he stands where Obako Ikwere stands, means that he supports what they said, that he has been stripped of all the titles and all the privileges he enjoyed as an Ikwere son or a member of the Obako Ikwere. Now, reacting to this development, the former Minister of Aviation, Osita Chidoka, took to his verified X handle to say his own side, how he sees it. And what he said is interesting. And before I go into that, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, taking to his Twitter handle, Osita Chidoka, who is also a lawyer, wrote, he said, anyone who says he's not Igbo is not Igbo. Igbo is not only an ethnic identity, it is also a way of life. It is also a way of life. Igbo is about respect for truth in the face of personal loss, discretion in words and conduct, loyalty to community and benefactors, and respect for wealth from enterprise. The Igbo instinctively frowns at and rejects avarice, disrespect for people, big and small, and one man show. So if Nyesom Wike says he is not Igbo, I agree with him, and there is no need to argue because Igbo is beyond proclamation and geography. It is also a set of attributes and lived experiences. I am Igbo, he concluded. Now, what do you read from this? What he's saying is that being Igbo is beyond saying that I'm Igbo. Some people can be Igbo, but their conduct does not qualify to be that of Igbo, because Igbo is a set of way of life, attributes of a people. It is beyond proclamation. It is beyond geography. So if somebody said that he's not Igbo, he should be excused. If Nyesom Wike said that he's not Igbo, he should be excused. And nobody should argue over that. He said, don't argue with Nyesom Wike or anyone who said that he's not Igbo, because Igbo is beyond proclamation. And I've said it in this channel before, that the Igbo race is not a race that is looking for people, to be frank. The Igbo race are among the most gifted races in the world. And I have said it, there was a documentary that was done where an American intellectual was comparing the Igbos with the Chinese and the Jews, and talked about their experiences as people who are involved in trade, and why they generate a lot of animosity among some people who they deal with. Okay, it's a video that perhaps I will put the link under this video so that you can go and watch it. So the Igbo, if you look at the history of Nigeria, the Igbos are on top of several sectors of economic development, TDET, in science, in technology, and innovation. Even in terms of the oldest indigenous people in Nigeria, they are the Igbos. There has been no excavation in Nigeria that is older than the excavation done at Igbo. So the Igbo represent excellence. Okay, Igbo represent excellence. So nobody should beg anybody to be Igbo. In fact, nobody at all qualified to be begged to be Igbo. On what basis? Because you are a minister, because you are a former governor. Who are you in terms of accomplishment in the world, when we have Igbos that have accomplished so much and are still doing that? So really, there's nobody that that deserve to be begged. And like I keep saying, if the heavens went to fall, there is not enough Igbo men to hold it. So I don't think anybody is begging Nyesom Wike. I don't think anybody should beg Nyesom Wike to say that he is Igbo, or to any other person who deny that he is Igbo. Okay, but these are just issues that need to be discussed, because there are people of his own kinsmen too who are very proud Igbos. Okay, who have came out in their full chest. I keep referencing Barrister Uche Okuku and several others, including the founding fathers of Ikwere in Nigerian politics, like Obiwale. He is a founding member of Ohanaeze and Ndigbo. Nyesom Wike cannot claim he didn't know that. Okay, but I agree with the former Minister of Aviation, that if you say you are not Igbo, you are not Igbo. Just like if you say you are not a Jew, you are not a Jew. Even if you are born a Jew, it doesn't mean that it will be forced down on you that you are a Jew. No, if you are not, if you are a, you are not, you are a Jew and you are not proud of your Jewish heritage, you can say you are not a Jew. And if you are Igbo, you say you are not Igbo. You are free to be whatever you want to be, because this is a free world. Okay, but I think the former minister captured it effectively, that Igbo is beyond proclamation and is beyond geography. Okay, it's not about geography. It is about a way of life. You can even copy the Igbo way of life and make yourself an Igbo person just by copying their way of life, copying the things that Igbos are doing very well. Okay, what are the things that makes Igbos among the most successful people around the world? What are these attributes? I have addressed some of these issues in my book, The Igbo Phenomenon, which if you type it in your Google space now, you will see it. It will pop up. Just go to Google, type The Igbo Phenomenon. It's a book you should read and see the phenomenon that is the Igbo race. And when you read that book, you will know that you don't have to beg anybody to say that it's Igbo. People should even be saying that they are Igbo, so that committees should be set up to identify whether that person is truly Igbo. Just the way they do, if you say that you're a Jew, you want to return to Israel, they don't just allow you to come in. They do a lot of investigation, DNA test and other tests to find out whether you are indeed a Jew that deserves to return back to motherland in Israel. So that's my take on Chidoka's reaction to Nyesom Wike. Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.